have a short conversation about disinfectants. I know all of you are going out there running around getting this Lysol and this killer and that killer because now you're aware that, hey, there are germs in our environment. So it's funny to me how I'm seeing restaurants and hotels and different businesses saying, now we're taking cautions. Well, what'd you do before when you were preparing my food? That's a whole nother conversation. Let's quickly talk about our 2.5 strong acidic water that comes out of our, if you listen,
strong acidic water.
We can make it right here from our Kangen water ionizer that we have hooked up, and we capture this water from right here. That 2.5 strong acidic water is our disinfectant in our homes. We can take it and we can spray our countertops, put our food on it, and still eat it. If I was to take an apple and spray this apple with Lysol, would you take a bite of it? This is just strong acidic water. But this strong acidic water is not like any other water. This is a food and restaurant manual about using the machines in restaurants. This guy goes on to quote to say, hey, he's seen employees use the wrong chemicals to clean glasses and things like that. And talks about grind fighter, why hotels should be using this type of disinfecting water. Here's the sheet that I want to show you though. This comes from an independent laboratory right here, ATS Labs. And it shows everything with a 2.5 strong acidic water. And in 30 seconds that it kills E. coli, salmonella, staph. This right here is MRSA. And so you're saying that I could spray this water on countertops, on my food and around food, and not worry about contaminating with Lysol. That would be nasty. So our strong acidic water here, it's not necessary for drinking, but sanitizing cutting boards, utensils, countertops, has no environmental impact at all because of water, and it beats any other chemical on the market because it'll kill bacteria such as salmonella, anthrax, spores, E. coli, H1N1, and staph virus within 30 seconds. So this is what I took to the restaurant this morning. Spray it on my table. I can spray it around the food as you know we're being served, just to be a little more hyper vigilant right now because of the media and everything that they're educating us on the coronavirus. And so we just wanted to put this out there. I felt like it was our fiduciary duty to say, hey, quit buying the Lysols and the chemicals. I'm seeing people post and they're going looking for this junk and they're putting this on their skin. These sanitizers on their skin is silky right in their bloodstream. We'll see the effects of that on people's hormones, weight gain, and everything else from putting all these chemicals on their hands day in and day out, and now people are using them a lot. When they could have 2.5 strong acidic water, make as much of it as they want, and look at this. I could drink it. Would you drink your Lysol?
Thanks for watching. My name is Creel Hutchinson. If you like this content, subscribe to the channel. Head over to my website, livinghydration.ca, and grab your free PDF, The Ultimate Drinking Water Review. Cheers.